Hey everyone, Working Weston here. I got sick of soaking my armpit with aluminum and other chemicals, so I stopped wearing deodorant for a while, but people started avoiding me. I also tried the natural store-bought brands, but the ingredients list was questionable, they didn't work very well, and they cost a fortune. Here's my 3-ingredient deodorant recipe that's simple, effective, and best of all, aluminum-free. Once you try it, I guarantee you won't go back. With that being said, let's get to work. What you'll need for this recipe is coconut oil, baking soda, and cornstarch. Coconut oil is the main ingredient and works as a moisturizer. The baking soda is what's going to stop you from stinking, and the cornstarch binds it all together and gives it a deodorant-like texture. A scale's great, but not necessary. I'll list the volumes below. Essential oils, same thing, not necessary, but definitely a mixing bowl. An old deodorant container is what I put it in, but some people put it in a jar and apply it by hand. 100 grams of deodorant needs 40 grams of coconut oil, 30 grams of baking soda, and 30 grams of cornstarch. I like to microwave the coconut oil for 10 to 15 seconds to soften it up. It makes it a lot easier to mix. All right, throw everything in a bowl and start stirring. At first it's hard to mix, but eventually it all comes together and turns into a crumbly kind of deodorant. And then it starts to actually get a little bit creamy. At this point, you could go ahead and add your essential oils, any fragrance that you'd like. Keep in mind the oils might change the texture of the deodorant. One thing worth mentioning is that coconut oil melts at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Hydrogenated coconut oil has a higher melting point, so if you're in a warmer climate, you might want to get hydrogenated coconut oil. By weight, this recipe is 40% coconut oil, 30% baking soda, and 30% cornstarch. Last thing to mention is that this deodorant's a lot softer than store-bought, so when I apply it, I use a very, very small amount, just enough that it's past the top of the deodorant, and it works excellent. Thanks for stopping by. Like if you secretly like the smell of your own BO, and subscribe if you think that's disgusting. You can also find my live streams on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I gotta get back to work. It melts in your mouth.